Hey, I'm Ray Carnes, co-founder of recteq Grills. I'm a big tiny house fan, and I saw this boat for sale on Facebook Marketplace. I decided to make a tiny house, or in this case, a tiny house boat. And it's called Nothing But Trophies. We're out here at recteq Ranch. I love to grill in the back of this thing. Let me show you this thing. Check it out. The houseboat's 250 square feet. We built a cool front porch for it, and we've got a salvaged door from a ship, and we're going to show you inside. Come on. Over here in the east wing, we've got the bedroom, and this is a Murphy bed, folds down to be a queen bed, and when it's folded up, it's got cool seating to watch TV. We think we're going to change this bitch to make it a little larger to add cushions in the future. So all of the wood in this boat is all reclaimed wood from a 100-year-old barn. We bought the whole barn, so even the cabinets are made from that. You can see the old beetle holes and things like that, so it's all custom-made woodwork. So we try to utilize every space for storage. We've got some space above the lights. Also, under the stairs going in the boat, we've got some drawers. So all the windows in the boat are porthole windows from a shipyard. And we utilized one to make a cool medicine cabinet right here, and we changed it from a window to a mirror. Really love that feature. So we utilized the bow of the boat. We had that extra space. So we bought some hinges. They'll hold up to 600 pounds. These drawers in the front go under the bow of the boat, come out 6 full feet. So give you plenty of storage under the bow of the boat.